this is a D-Link AC750 band router.
Viewers, subscribe my channel and click on bell button now.
It has two bands. One of them is 2.4 gigahertz, and it's also a second band. This is 5 gigahertz. It's a latest and very powerful router, and I have to say that it has a repeater on the it's not only a router, it's also a repeater. When you get a port signal, you can repeat your signal to use this D-Link AC750, and it's a very amazing router ever I used. Okay, you can buy this router from Amazon. I will give you link on the description below. Okay, now I'm going to unboxing this router. Okay. This is the installation guide here, and there is a warranty and safety information. Warranty card, as we call. Okay, now I'm going to check the router. Yeah. Okay, guys, you see this is DIR 816-816. Okay, here is your internet connection LAN port, and this is your LAN 1, 2, 3 and 4, where you connected your PC. You will connected your internet cable from PC to here, and you will connected your main internet connection on here. There is a WPS button, you see it, and there is an on-off switch on here.
Viewers, subscribe my channel and click on bell button now. Viewers, now I am going to the interface of DIR 816. Okay, now I'm going to write down 192.168.1.1. Okay, now I am entered to the first interface of D-Link 816, DIR 816. Okay, in the first time you have to choose which band do you wanna use. There are there are 12 band network. So I'm going to choose 2.4G, and I am setting security network 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, and should be at least 8 character. Okay, it should be 8 character, and I'm going to save it now. Okay, guys, this router is really very nice. Okay, I'm going to log in the D-Link again. Okay, here is a quick setup wizard. Then I click to next. Then you have to choose, do you use share IP or do you have a real IP? If you have a real IP, then you should select static, and if you have a PP share IP, then you should choose your PPoE broadband connection, and then you should complete your connection like this. Okay, next, and you should put your username, password, and confirm password, and then click to next. Okay, I'm going to see you some features of this router. There is in this router you will get in 2.4G on 2.4G you will paint. There you will get wireless repeater. Okay, you can repeat your full signal here, and you can make a good signal and make a new frequency here and make a new network surrounding a network frequency here to use that network. Okay, I'm going to site survey. Okay, the surveying is ongoing and it remaining 10 seconds. Okay, hold on viewers, I will give you the Amazon link. You can buy or check it from Amazon. Okay guys, now we got 3 network available here, and here TP-Link 9CA is my network, and I can select this network, and then I'm going to next step, and they need to my pre-share key. I'm going to start a pre-share. I'm going to pre-share key here. Okay, now I'm going to click on finish. Okay guys, you can see the okay guys, you see, now you can see the repeater is okay, the repeater is working now. Okay, and yeah, you can connect this network and you can browsing internet easily. Okay, my Kasper Sky is giving me alert. Okay, I don't need it. And there is also a 5G band. Okay, here you can also receive a 5G signal and you can repeat this. And here is advanced option. There is a dynamic DNS option, traffic control. You can control your traffic bandwidth. I mean, you can control your users bandwidth, and you can give them manage their maintain their permission. Yeah, and here is a maintenance. Here is the reboot option that we need very many times. Yeah. Okay, this is a reboot and reset option. So guys, this is all everything. Thank you, have a nice day.